Hey everyone, this is Mason with HerbRally. I've got an updates video for you today. We're a little past due on it because of what I'm about to tell you. And you may have already heard this by now, but Amanda and I went down on a 10-day, was supposed to be a 10-day California road trip. We were gonna record a bunch of different video content for YouTube as well as our HerbRally schoolhouse. And on the third day of our road trip, we were in the Bay Area. And after getting some lunch, we went to a coffee shop. And in that 30-minute span of time, our truck was broken into, and we had about $10,000 worth of our supplies taken. That included our laptops, lots of camera equipment, all of my clothes. So that was pretty devastating, which is why we're kind of behind on YouTube schoolhouse content, YouTube and schoolhouse content. But here we are. We replenished our supplies, and that's a huge thank you to you, the HerbRally community, the herbal community. Y'all really came through for us, and Amanda and I are super appreciative. Rosalee de la Foyer started a GoFundMe page for us, which I was slightly apprehensive to do at first. I don't know, maybe it was pride or whatnot, but alas, Rosalee signed us up for a GoFundMe page, and you all helped raise $10,000 for us, and Amanda and I can't thank you enough. So here we are. We have new supplies to come back stronger and better than ever before. We're really excited to get back on track and release new content each week, both on YouTube as well as our HerbRally schoolhouse. Yeah, and we also wanted to let you know that it wasn't just the supplies that we lost. We actually lost, maybe I'm exaggerating, but it feels like close to 100 videos. Maybe not that many, but we lost a lot of content that we recorded previously with herbalists. And so that was actually the most devastating part. It wasn't losing the equipment, because obviously all that stuff is replaceable. We just felt kind of bad because we spent time with these herbalists recording their knowledge, and it was supposed to go out to the whole world to see, but all of that is lost. That said, we're already making plans to go visit those same herbalists, re-record some of the similar content. And yeah, that part made us the most sad for sure, was losing all of that amazing content. But I can assure you, we're gonna get it all back. We're gonna redo a lot of it, and yeah, we're just feeling optimistic moving forward. We've been coming up with new game plans and new trips to see different herbalists, and we're feeling optimistic. So thank you again. We really can't say it enough. The other thing that we're taking away from this is the hard lessons learned. So we learned a lot, as you'd imagine. One of the things that we're going to be doing now is going to be backing up on the cloud on a more frequent basis, as well as have multiple external hard drives. We're also going to get some sort of lockbox in the back of our truck, so someone can't just break open the window and take everything we have. We're also going to have, we already have a safe at home, so we'll probably be backing up content onto external hard drives and then storing those in safes at home as well. I will say this, the people that witnessed the robbery happen, they said they think that it was because we were targeted because we had out-of-state license plates. They also have the ability to track your laptops via Bluetooth. So just keep all these things in mind. We're definitely gonna learn from this, and I really hope that some of those tips help you prevent from this sort of thing happening to you. Oh yeah, and I did want to mention, Amanda and I actually, after replenishing our supplies, we actually went back down to California. We just went to Arcata, which is an awesome little city in Northern California. Definitely check it out if you haven't been already. And I went to Moonrise Herbs, awesome little herb shop. I bought a nice bottle of oat top extract, really high quality stuff. And also we got a visit with herbalist Krista Sinadinis. She's also in the Arcata area, and she came out with a book recently called The Essential Guide to Western Herbalism. It's a big book. It's super in-depth, so definitely check that out. I'll leave a link to that in the show notes as well. Highly recommend Krista Sinadinis' work, and we're gonna release a bunch of YouTube content with her as well as for the HerbRally Schoolhouse. By the way, if you wanna get your first 30 days for free of the HerbRally Schoolhouse, just use coupon code YouTube30 at checkout. You can find that at herbrally.com/schoolhouse. The link to that will be in the show notes as well. So since this is an updates video, we're trying to do some more book giveaways and that kind of thing. And on the last updates video, the Florida edition video, we were giving away a copy of Robin Rose Bennett's book, The Gift of Healing Herbs. Highly recommend. And right now I'm going to randomly choose a winner. And I'm going to pull up YouTube right here, and I'm just going to go to the comments, and I'm going to select a random winner. So here we go. So McKenna Lewis, you're the winner. And you said, I think my favorite video so far is either the Tom Kha Firesider recipe video or Advice for Herbal Students video with Paul Bergner. So thanks for that. We definitely have a lot more Ask an Herbalist videos coming. Amanda and I definitely plan on producing more recipe type videos for y'all. So McKenna, I'll reach out to you and I'll get your information and we'll send out the Gift of Healing Herbs to you. So thanks for participating, and stay tuned till the end of this video. We're gonna do another giveaway for Rosalee de la Foyer's book, Alchemy of Herbs, so stay tuned for that. So I remember a couple months back in one of our newsletters, I said, stay tuned for some big news from us. And I'm gonna announce that big news now, but due to all the stuff that's happened to us in California, I kind of pushed that back. But so we're actually moving to Wisconsin. I've been a lifelong Oregon resident, and we made the decision recently that we're gonna move to Wisconsin, and we're actually gonna live there. The plan is to live there part-time, and then we're also gonna have some sort of RV situation where we live in Oregon for about 5 months a year, Wisconsin about 5 months a year, and then we're going to be on the road for about 2 months a year. And this will be conducive to creating lots of content with different herbalists around the US, and we'll still both get to have 5 months in Oregon where my friends and family are, and then Amanda's actually from Wisconsin, so now she's gonna get to be around her besties and her family as well. So we're just really excited for that. I'm really excited to like dive into the Wisconsin area herbal community. So if you're in that area, I would love to connect with you all. We're gonna be moving to Green Bay, and that's actually happening at the end of May. So it's happening very, very soon. And I just wanted to let you all know that because, well, why do I want to let them know that? Anyways, I just thought y'all might find it interesting to know what's happening with HerbRally behind the scenes. It's going to be a big life change. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out, mason@herbrally.com. And as promised, we'll do the book giveaway now for Rosalee de la Foyer's book, Alchemy of Herbs. And all you have to do to enter to win that is leave a comment in the video below with letting us know how you found out about HerbRally. We're just curious, so if you want to enter to win a copy of Rosalee de la Foyer's book, just leave a comment in the YouTube video below with how you found out about HerbRally. Simple as that. We'll select a winner at random in the next updates video, and we'll get that shipped out to you if you're the lucky winner. So this will be a podcast episode as well. So if you are listening to this on the podcast and you want to enter to win the competition, just click on the link in the show notes and go to the YouTube video, leave a comment below, and we'll select a winner on the next HerbRally YouTube updates video. And good luck, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.